my name is Althea.
Welcome to Athena and Althea's Video Diary!
Today we're going to play sister tag. And whenever she gets
A point.
whenever she gets something wrong, I'm going to put something in her face, and whenever I got something wrong, she's going to put something in my face.
It's shaving cream.
What am I going to say? How old are we? She's 7?
And she is 9.
Okay, what is our what is my favorite singer?
Who? It's not what. It's who.
Who is my favorite singer?
Love Story.
It's not a singer. It's a who sang that.
It's a K-pop group.
Taylor Swift.
That's not a K-pop group.
She got it wrong.
Later, I'm gonna put something. Okay, your
Oopsie,
favorite
it fell.
singer is.
Do it na.
Just a little.
Okay.
Now you put your hand. Put your hand.
No! Not on it. Yeah, straight to your face. Oh, sit down, sit down.
Okay.
Your
Your favorite singer is.
Sit properly, Athena.
Taylor Swift?
No.
Who?
It's the one who made.
Who?
The one who made
Who?
Taylor. The one who made Love Story.
Sit properly. Why do you need to stand up?
Cynthia Ari. Popular.
That's a song.
Yeah,
That's a song.
No, I got
That's a song. Ew.
Who's the singer? Who's the singer?
Popular.
No.
Cynthia Ariba. Cynthia Ariba.
Go next.
Okay.
Sit properly.
Heels or flats? What is my favorite? Heels or
Flat.
correct? You. For sure heels. Oh no, flats.
Alright.
Yes. Okay. Next. What is our favorite animal? A bunny? Okay, your turn to this one.
Put it on.
A little bit.
Up to you.
Why is it in my mouth? I'm not activator.
You're activated. It hurt.
It's my habit.
Go.
Okay, you're. No, you have to guess what's my favorite animal.
Bunny. You said it?
So what is it?
It's a fox.
No!
Althea, you have to be careful.
Give me a tissue.
No.
Dad, tissue please. Daddy.
Next is comedy, horror, or chick flick. Chick flick or comedy or horror.
Horror.
That's not correct.
Then use tissue.
It's not horror. It's my favorite. My favorite is comedy.
Not in my ears. Not in my ears.
Your other side.
Your turn, Tina.
Okay.
Right.
Your favorite is chick flick. It's comedy also?
Yeah.
No, I'm
No,
Althea, look at her.
Okay.
Go, what's next?
I hope it's not fall.
What's next?
Black BlackBerry or iPhone? What is my favorite?
iPhone.
Right. Yours is.
Can you sit
iPhone,
properly?
I think? Is it iPhone?
No.
What
It's
is
a
it?
BlackBerry.
It's an iPhone. Your iPad is an iPhone.
It's an iPhone.
It's Apple.
You want some?
I need a shade.
Ala, si Josie, oh.
What's next? What's next, Althea?
What's your favorite movie? Your favorite movie is Wicked.
Never watched that.
Yeah, but you said it's your favorite movie.
Oh yeah.
Yes!
Sit
What is
properly.
my favorite movie?
I know. I forgot the one. It's the one that you always watch all the time. What is it called? I forgot it.
Your points, ate.
Hmm?
She forgot daw.
My word.
Can I remove my glasses, ma?
Work.
What did you do, Rose? Oh no! Ayan! What happened?
I got wet. So that is shaving cream.
Because
Menthol. Menthol.
I got the change to a dress.
Hi, guys. Say hi, guys, Rose.
oh, bye guys.
That's our end of our video. Bye.
Epic fail, guys.
Don't
try it.
Don't try it at home.
Say hi, guys. Rose, say hi, guys.
Bye.